All right, so here we go, the last 3 braids. Right now, I'm trying to get my parts together. You'll see me adjust and fix these parts so many times until I can get them even. As you can see, my parts are not perfect. They're not the perfect box. I was just more so trying to go for consistency in size rather than consistency in boxes being perfect. Hey, I'm doing my own head, and I can't see in the top of my head. I did not do, the majority of my hair was not done in front of the mirror. So here I go. I start with a braid, and then I go down. As I get down further to the bottom, I start to twist. See, that part ain't perfect. That thing looked like a triangle, but hey, guess what? The hairstyle is in, and once you see the end result, everything will be together. All right, here's my next part. I twist it around, kind of like a lock, to get them separated and out the way. Y'all, this hair is dry. It's dry and it knots up at the bottom. One of the biggest things, some of the hair I actually did comb through. I believe I combed through this hair first. I didn't show y'all the process of what it looks like when I untwisted my hair piece by piece. I just went ahead, took out the top few twists, combed them out, and just parted them and went ahead to twist them. Now, I also cut out me trying to get some of this hair when it tangles up. I think I did comb through some of it, but what really helps me is putting grease on it. When you put grease on it, it softens it up and it makes it easier to manage and easier to comb. See right there, you did get to see a little bit of me trying to work through and get the knots from going. You're going to, this process left lots and lots of balls of hair, excess hair laying around. The Marley hair, I would honestly say it didn't leave as much knots and extra hair laying around as the Cuban twist hair. The Cuban twist hair left a lot behind. Here we go, last twist. Like I said, if you got time and patience, you can do these styles yourself. So what? It don't look professional. I'm not professional. I'm an amateur who grew up in a hair salon and just learned by watching and trying stuff. And it turns out pretty good for me so far. These are the smallest braids I've ever done on my hair. I think back in the day, I did some micro braids on myself. But I think after that, since then, to date, this is the smallest braids I've ever done. I wanted to get the end. That's why I put the braid in my mouth. Sorry if it looks crazy, but it's my hair. I cleaned it. And I'm tossing it around, showing you my parts. They not perfect, but they cute. They got the job done. The hair looks good. Even though I use 2 different kinds of hair, you can't tell. The end. Thank you for watching.